Hi, welcome to my video on finding the equation of a tangent, and this is number 1. Find the equation of a tangent to x squared minus y cubed equals 1 at 3, 2. So to find the equation of a tangent, I would need to have y equals mx plus b. And that's m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. In order to have that, I have a point, so the x and y goes in. I need the slope, and the slope of the tangent, TAN, is the derivative at that point. So let's go and get the derivative, and I'm going to use implicit differentiation. So the derivative of 2x is d dx. Derivative of x squared is 2x. Derivative of a negative y cubed is d dx is negative 3y squared dy dx. And the derivative of a constant is 0. So the derivative of dy dx, so negative 3y squared dy dx is equal to negative 2x. So dy dx is equal to negative 2x divided by negative 3y squared, which is 2x all over 3y squared. So that's the derivative, and so that means that the slope of the tangent is 2x all over 3y squared. But if we take it at the point, if the point is 3, 2, then if we plug x is 3 and y is 2 into this slope here, x is 2, so it's 2 times 3, and it's y is 2, so it's 2 squared. So when we simplify that, we'll have, I'll cancel out the 3's because they're a product, 3's cancel out. So that's 2 over 2 squared is 4, so that's 1/2. So now I have a slope and a point, so y equals mx plus b. The y is 2, the slope is 1/2, the x is 3, so 1/2 of 3 is 3 over 2, or 1.5. So that's 2 minus 3 over 2 equals b. And so 2 take away 1.5 is 1/2. Don't need to do much math on that. So that means the y-intercept is 1/2. So y equals mx plus b. So the slope is 1/2 times x, and the y-intercept is 1/2. So we found the equation of a tangent at that point using implicit differentiation. Now let's try another one. Find the equation of the tangent to 4x plus y squared equals xy when y is negative 1. Again, we need to do the derivative in order to get the slope, and we need a point, but we don't have a point. So what we do is take 4x plus y squared equals xy, and this is y is negative 2, so we'll put the negative 2 in the place of y, and we have x by itself, so 4x plus 4 equals negative 2x. So we put the x's on one side and put the constant on the other. Change the sign as you move them. 6x equals negative 4. Divide by 6, negative 4 over 6. So x becomes negative 2/3. So the point that this slope is going to be found is x is negative 2/3 and y is negative 2. So now let's go and get the derivative with implicit differentiation. So the derivative of 4x d dx is 4. The derivative d dx on the y squared is 2y dy dx. Now we have a derivative here, but this is a product, so derivative of x is 1 times y plus x times the derivative of y. The derivative of y is 1 dy dx. So if we group the dy dx together, so 2y dy dx minus x dy dx is y minus 4. So I put the group dx's together because we want to solve for dx. So we factor out dy dx, and it gives me 2y minus x equals y minus 4. So dy dx is equal to y minus 4 over 2y minus x. Now that's the slope, so we can write down just to make sure. So the derivative is the slope of the tangent at this point. So I'm going to go dy dx is the slope. Didn't have to do that, but I just did it as a reminder. Now the slope, y is negative 2 and y is negative 2 and x is negative 2/3. And we simplify this, we get negative 2, negative 4 is negative 6, and we have a multiplication here along with a subtraction, so we go negative 4, add on 2/3, and this is a complex fraction, so the LCD is 3, so I'm going to multiply each part of this fraction by 3, so negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and 2/3 times 3 is plus 2, because the 3's cancel out. So that gives me negative 18 over negative 10, and that gives me negatives become positive, so it's a 9 over 5. So we have the slope of the tangent, which is 9 over 5, and we need to find the equation. So y equals mx plus b. Again, this is x and this is y, so y is negative 2, m is 9 over 5, x is negative 2/3 plus b, and we simplify. Negative 2, 3 into 9 goes 3, so it's a negative 6 over 5 plus b. So negative 2 plus 6 over 5 equals b. Notice when I solve for the y-intercept, I need to be here without moving it. So b is, the common denominator is 5, so negative 2 is negative 10 over 5. So b becomes negative 10 minus 6 is negative 4 over the denominator of 5. So the equation is y equals mx plus b. Y equals the slope is 9 over 5 times x plus b, which is a negative 4 over 5. Or I got a plus a negative there, but really if I wanted to, just 9 over 5 subtract 4/5, same thing. So again, using implicit differentiation, we find the equation of the tangent, which is the derivative is the slope of the tangent at that point. And again, like all our videos, if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.